we're remapping, and we started using the Tune ECU software on the Galaxy tablet this week. Everything was looking great. We got it all communicating and started doing the mapping. And lo and behold, we've got the dreaded black screen. So I'm trying to get the Galaxy tablet to work. I've been on YouTube, checked out all the ways that you're meant to do it, to reboot it, etc., but at this moment, it's just a black screen. So don't tell me that it's the flat battery, because it's not. It's 98% charged. So we're screwed with that, and we may drop back onto a power commander setup if I can't get this to work as it should. The software isn't allowing us to open the throttles in the higher gears, which I hope Tune ECU would build into their software, but this model they don't. Maybe they will in the future. So we may have to lock it into third gear as far as the ECU is concerned to get the maximum power out of every gear. We've done it before, works really well. So that's another project that we've got to finish next week. This gentleman's been really patient. We've been working with this for a little while now. So we're putting, it's a GSXR1000 K7. We've put in a new bracket. This bracket we've just finished, and we've offered it up. All works fine. We've got a little spacer to make here for the adjustment for the belt. So we've got a little tooth belt runs along there. All the pipe work's all done. A couple of silicone hoses, and this will be fired up before the end of next week as well. Incidentally, we have to relocate the oil filter, and the oil filter how would you put it? The oil filter relocation plate that we designed for the CB1000 works perfectly on this with a couple of little mods. So we've got the oil filter out the way so we can get a decent air intake to the supercharger. And this is going to be a nice kit. I think we'll make 220, 230 horsepower with a bit of luck. And the customer should be really happy. So next week is dyno. And yeah, if I don't suffer from too much carbon monoxide poisoning, I may make the end of the week.